I'm loving the Aveeno Skin Relief Repairing Ointment. As someone who struggles with dry skin and eczema flare ups, this stuff is a lifesaver. It's super thick and rich, like petroleum jelly. So, a little goes a long way. I use it sparingly, especially after showers or face washes, to lock in moisture and soothe dry patches. The ingredients are amazing. Triple Oat Complex, hydrating glycerin, and nourishing shea butter work together to repair and protect my skin's barrier. It's fragrance free and hypoallergenic, so it's gentle enough for sensitive skin. I like to layer it on top of my day cream, but be warned it's pretty greasy, so use it sparingly. It's best on wet skin or for spot treatments. I've been using it on my hands and lips, and it's been a game changer. My skin feels soothed, protected, and hydrated. I also want to mention their daily moisturizing cream, which is perfect for everyday use. It's lightweight, velvety, and absorbs quickly, making it great under makeup. It's also fragrance free and gentle, so it's suitable for sensitive skin. Overall, I'm obsessed with Aveeno Skin Relief Repairing Ointment and Daily Moisturizing Cream. They're amazing products that deliver on their promises.